$18,000 in my very first
This was yesterday, actually.
Changing people's lives, and I want you to have
$2,700 worth of commissions.
In 9 days, TikTok sent me over $15,000.
This one creator managed to generate $22,000 using a 50-second TikTok Shop affiliate AI generated video. And the crazy thing is, they're not the only one. There's hundreds of other examples of people that are doing this right now. Another example which you can see here is another creator who managed to generate $111,000 again in under 7 days with an AI created video. I'm going to walk you through creating your own AI generated video step by step for TikTok Shop affiliate money making purposes, from step 1 all the way up until a finished video, which you should also have a similar result if you followed up until the end of the video. The tool I'm using is Kalo Data, linked it in the description. You can see hundreds of examples of creators that are absolutely smashing it when it comes to the TikTok affiliate program. This version of Kalo Data is the United States. What you want to do firstly, if you're trying to replicate a similar type of videos to these examples that I have shown you here, the first thing we want to think about is the script. So the script is going to highlight the core benefits of the product. Out of those core benefits, generate a usable script for TikTok. You need to think about how long you want your script to be, because that's going to determine how many words and characters you're going to ask the AI to provide for you. And then we need to think about the tone of the script as well. Some scripts are serious, some are sad, some are humorous, and this is all going to make sense in a bit. I am going to play the video I've generated towards the end so you can see my example. I will link all the tools I'm using in the description and any prompts. There's 2 ways you can go about generating a script for a TikTok Shop affiliate product. Assuming you've already picked the product, maybe looked on Kalo Data and seen an example like this, and you've decided that you're going to be promoting this Better Alt Himalayan Shilajit product here. So what I've done is I've searched for this product on Amazon. Amazon tends to have good copy about core benefits for that particular product. So here, as you can see, I've already highlighted them there. Those are the focus areas that we want to tell the potential buyers about the benefits that they're going to be getting from this product. But you don't need all of them, but I've copied all of them here so I can then take them into ChatGPT to generate the script. I'm using ChatGPT at the moment because it's the most famous. It's not my favorite, if I'm being honest. There is another tool called Gemini, which used to be Google Bard. It's completely free and you can browse the internet. But for the sake of this example, I'm going to use ChatGPT. I've copied the main benefits of the product, and as you can see, this is the same product on TikTok being promoted. It's important that you find the same product. Don't get information of a different product. You might get a violation on TikTok. From there, you can go on to ChatGPT. I've pasted the benefits at the top and asked ChatGPT to please generate a short TikTok script for a 40-second video. I'm saying 40 seconds because I want to try and get it as close to these examples as possible. One is 50 seconds, another one is 30 seconds. So I'm trying to find the middle ground. So I say a 40-second video with a hook, body, and call to action for the viewer to save this video and click the link to try the product. Emphasize 3 main benefits and examples. Now you need to note here that I've said 3, even though there's 5 benefits here. So again, I want to try and keep this script short. 3 main benefits and examples. Use a humorous tone in a simple language anyone can understand. With health products, you can very easily get carried away and use jargon. You want to try and keep the language simple so that anyone that watches the video, regardless of comprehension levels, ChatGPT has then come up with this script here. You can either take the first one or keep prodding it until it comes up with a script that you're happy with. In this case, for the sake of this example, I've gone with this first script. So that's my script ready. Now, this is the slightly longer way of getting your product script. Now, the quickest and the shortest way, if you use the link that I've left in the description and use Kalo Data, it's actually got a really useful feature where you can download the actual video script from the creator that's generated the revenue on Kalo Data. So word for word, you can get that script down and you can essentially use that for inspiration. Now, I've already done this. I've asked it to download the script word for word, and going back to ChatGPT, I took that script and used it in this prompt a little bit further down here. And what I've done here is I've asked it to rewrite the script, changing words to make it unique. The reason why I've done that is because
to continue with the rest of the video, click here. You can find a link to the full tutorial by heading to the description below. You'll also find links to my favorite AI tools. Head over to my website, vlcmediabiz.com, where you'll find a bunch of free AI courses for serious business inquiries. You can drop me an email. Also, drop a comment if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.